Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a duvet cover on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can see, here we have to come to the temu.com and here we will search for duvet cover. Okay. So here we can see duvet cover. So here we have many covers, so we can just go for the one. So here I have to go with this. Okay, so this is a good cover at the good cost, $9.69. Okay, so here we can see the cover. So basically this is a cover for our bed. Okay, so it comes in a many size. You can see a king size, queen size, twin size, and many other size. So here we can see the product quality. Product quality is nice, and we can see some reviews also. Reviews is also good. And we can scroll down and we can see the length breadth of the all of the products they provide. Like here we can see the inches. So according to your bed you can just select the size. Okay, so here it comes with a very good fiber and it's very comfortable for our skins also. So here we can see the quality. So here we can see the all thing. So to buy you have to just click on the add to cart button. After that you can just click on the buy button, then you can just follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a duvet cover on TEMU website, and I strongly suggest to downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money. Thank you for watching.